Hello people, Physics Joe is back again with another very interesting video on an even more interesting topic, that is supernova. So without any further ado, let's get started. So many of you might have heard about the term supernova and many of you might not have. So a supernova is the name given to the explosion of a massive star at the end of its life. It can emit more energy in a few seconds than our sun will radiate in its lifetime of billions of years. All that energy exploding out does a few things. It scatters the fundamental building blocks of the universe that form the core of most stars: hydrogen, helium, and carbon. The resulting cloud of debris forms a nebula.
Let's understand what causes a supernova. A star is in balance between two opposite forces. The star's gravity tries to squeeze the star into the smallest, tightest ball possible. But the nuclear fuel burning in the star's core creates strong outward pressure. This outward push resists the inward squeeze of gravity. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it cools off. This causes the pressure to drop, and eventually gravity wins out, and the star suddenly collapses. Imagine something 1 million times the mass of Earth collapsing in just 15 seconds. The collapse happens so quickly that it creates enormous shock waves that cause the outer part of the star to explode.
A second type of supernova can happen in systems where two stars orbit one another, and at least one of those stars is an Earth-sized white dwarf. Now, what is a white dwarf? A white dwarf is what's left after a star the size of our Earth has run out of fuel. If one white dwarf collides with another or pulls too much matter from its nearby star, the white dwarf can explode. NASA scientists use a number of different types of telescopes to search for and then study supernovas. One example is the NuSTAR, which stands for Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array Mission, which uses X-ray vision to investigate the universe. NuSTAR is helping scientists observe supernovas and young nebulas to learn more about what happens leading up to, during, and after these spectacular blasts. In a galaxy like our Milky Way, consisting of some 200 billion stars, there should be a supernova as often as every 50 years. Yet, supernovas visible to the eye alone are very rare. You might or might not witness one in your lifetime.
Now, don't you think supernovas are too cool? We will end the video in hope that someday we all might witness at least one supernova with our eyes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, do comment and let us know. We will meet you in our next video.